See, this is the example. So we have these activities. These are the predecessors. Okay, and this is the time duration required to completion of a particular activity. Now, how to make a Gantt chart of it? It's very simple, and it is what is the benefit? The benefit is to know the progress of the project, and it is very important if we have it in terms of the chart. Then we can easily understood whether the activity is in a as per our schedule time or not. If it is behind the schedule, then it is very important for us to give the what we call the attention, or make give the maximum time to so that it is to be completed. Okay, so with the help of these two the given the statement, we have to draw a Gantt chart. So if you see, okay, sorry, this is one. Now this is not required for you. Okay, fine. So this is the Gantt chart. Okay. Now, if you see here, there are given some blue lines, red lines, and the solid bars. Okay, so this is what we call the bar chart. We call it is a Gantt chart or it is a bar chart. So it is the number of solid lines, horizontal solid lines that you have seen. Okay, forget about the color. Color, it might be you can give the different color for the different activity, or you can give the colors with the predecessors and all, so that you know what is dependent and independent. There are a number of softwares are used to just do this type of the graphical representation. Okay, you have to just feed the predecessors, the activities, and the time, then they will show you. Okay, but yes, here how to draw on the graph paper, or if you have the Excel sheet, then from that also you can draw. Even I have given the example. Okay, so last time I show you how to draw the Gantt chart on the graph paper or on the Excel sheet. So here just look at, so these two are the simultaneous activity, activity A and activity B, because in that given problem, if you see, these are the starting activities. So we started in the month of the September. So on the horizontal line, they mention the months: August, September, October, like this ones. Okay, so this is the month is mentioned, and on that basis they say how much time is required. If you say the activity A, then if you go here, the activity A, it is required a 12 weeks. Okay, duration is given 12 weeks, and this is time means 12 week means around, almost around 4 months. Okay, so on the basis of that one, we choose that this is the activity which is required of 4 months. So it start from the mid of the September, and it will be end in the mid of the December, because it required around 12 week means a 3 months. Okay, and within the 3 months they have to complete. Similarly, the activity B that we have to draw, and again the length, if you see the length of this bar, it will be less, because this is required 12 week and this will be required 9 week. That's why we taken this. After that one, why we are showing this the arrows and all, because you see here, this particular activity, if you see the C activities depend on the A. So for the C, A is the predecessor, and that's why it will start after the A is completion. So I am showing this bar, horizontal bar, after the completion of the A activity, and that's why I'm showing here somehow. Okay, so you just go the below the each activities, and also you have to go in a forward direction, like in a horizontal, once it is completed on that date. Similarly, if you see, this is also one C, then this activity, and this one you find a same arrow, because these there is the predecessor. If you see that this is the D, now for the D, B is the predecessor, then for the E, again the B is the predecessor. That's why these two activities are simultaneously done. But yes, the time may be the different for the each activity. Okay. After that one, if you see the F, for the F, A is the predecessor. That's why I'm taking this is line like this, and I show here the F. Similarly, the G is started when the C is completed. So once the C is completed, then I make it arrow like this one, and from this one I make a horizontal line. Okay, similarly H is started when the D is completed. So once the D is completed, then this is the showing like this one. Similarly, the I for the I, A is the predecessor. That's why it will C, then the F and I, it will be start at the once the A is completed. Okay, and then J and the K. Okay, now J is showing here somehow, and K is J is showing here somehow because it might be say the after the as we are not able to up to this November, okay, and it will take much more time, so it is again come again in a September, okay, so that's why it will be the show somehow here, okay, but yes, these are the some representation of the Gantt chart, and with the help of this one, as EGH is the predecessor for J and F I G is the predecessor for K is completed, F is completed, I is completed, I here is the I and J. That's why it show like this one I J, and for this J it is EGH. E is here. Okay, so it will be completed on this time, and then G is there. G is somehow here. Okay, it will take October. Okay, and H is again here somehow November. So that's why we show this is the line again somehow here, because November, December, then again it will move and it shows like this. Fine. So this is a Gantt chart. Now the Visio software that is used to draw a Gantt chart. So if you see here, then we have the 1 2 3, these are the IDs, and the planning and event we have to give the name of it. So develop the concept, arrange the key note speaker, mark the arrangement, design, finalize. So this is the content from this one, and we can have with the help of the Visio software. Okay, we have the Visio software. With the help of that one, we can as we mentioned the duration, then it will be automatically show you this type of the bars. Okay, so this is about a Gantt chart. So this is very important to understand, to control the project. It will give the efficient way, because if we have what we call the idea about the what is the planning, and as per the planning whether we are going or not, then we always look the things, because if you see this is the activities depend on this one. Now we are most controlling to complete this activity within a 4 week, so that I can start this day activity. Okay, so we can control the project. That is the aim of this Gantt chart, to control the project.